What is up, everybody? So I just landed at the Portland airport about 2 hours ago, made my way here to Silver Falls State Park, and I am so excited to be here. This has been on my bucket list of things to see and explore for quite some time now, and finally here. So come with me. This is the Trail of 10 Waterfalls. So we are going to try to hit up as many waterfalls as we can, hopefully all 10 of them, and we're just going to enjoy the trees and the scenery, because you don't get things like this in Las Vegas. So come on, let's have some fun. So when I started this, temperature was about low 70s, about 72, 73 degrees. Much cooler than Vegas, but you could definitely feel the humidity. Anyway, I kind of planned on just taking a really leisurely walk through this whole thing, but being through all of this, I can't help myself. I gotta run. If this was my backyard, I would be running here daily, probably multiple times a day if I could. This is incredible. We haven't hit a waterfall yet, so we will get to that. All right, see you later. How you doing? Good. Alright, we're about to reach our first waterfall. You can hear the water. It's gonna be awesome. So, first waterfall of 10. I'm about to see it. Alright guys, we're about to approach our second waterfall, and from the distance, it looks awesome. Check it out. That was pretty sweet. I love it. All right, 2 down, 8 to go. Let's do it. A lot of stairs, steep stairs. Kind of another waterfall. Guys, check this out. That is incredible, absolutely unreal. I know for you people of Oregon, stuff like that is pretty common, but when you live in Las Vegas in the desert, seeing things like that is absolutely incredible. All right, let's keep going. Couldn't really see it that well, but the waterfall was just behind that ledge there, and if you saw down the water, incredibly clear water. That was amazing. Anyway, you see, because of humidity, I'm working up a really good sweat here, so we'll press forward and we'll keep exploring. Let's do this. Alright, we're about to reach our next waterfall. This one is just a little over 100 feet. So far, amazing. Yeah, so I'm not sure exactly what trail I'm on. I haven't seen a waterfall for a long time. Hopefully I'm on the right track and hopefully I'm not just wandering off somewhere into the abyss. It's still an adventure though, still incredible. Everything just looks amazing. Now let's see if we get some waterfalls soon. Sure feels like to have pavement under your feet again. Just kidding. Welcome my trail friends. This is the waterfall that we just passed. This is the runoff for it. Doesn't look like much now, but when you're at the bottom of it, you see it coming down. It's just so much more incredible. Anyway, I think we have one more waterfall to hit up, then we're going to wrap this thing up and get out of here. All right, let's go. All right, that wraps up the 10 waterfalls, trails in Silver Falls State Park. There actually wasn't another waterfall. That last one that we saw, that actually was the final one, but still incredible. This was so much fun, guys. I'm so glad that you guys have been able to be a part of it with me. And so I had a little bit of downtime to refresh. As you can see, I've changed my shirt, so I am going to do a little bit of recovery. I gotta get some calories in me because this was about 8 miles of just going up and down different terrains. So I am now going to just sign off for now. Again, thank you very much, guys, and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Alright guys, take care. Talk to you soon.